it must be your language. As we all are in the global market, we need to demand for English language. That's the reason why we have been opting with our Toastmasters. Friends, let me give a brief information about what Toastmasters is and how it works to build the confidence and the public speaking in you. As you are all in the second year, when you move for your placements or when you move for your higher education, the one thing that we, especially landing from the remote and rural areas, are lack of confidence. In order to improve our confidence, what exactly we are supposed to do? So, Toastmasters is an international professional bodies. So, you might have heard like IEEE, CSI chapter, ISTE, all this, or NPTEL at least in the national level. Similarly, Toastmasters is something like an international professional body, which is a non-profit educational organization that empowers the people to become more effective communicators. So it will be taking you for the effective communicators and making them leaders. Let me ask you a simple question. How many of you feel that I can speak in English confidently? Obviously, I can see one or two hands that they can speak among your class. But the same students, if I ask you to speak as a public speaker, then they come